Panorama View gives you a high-level overview of multiple projects across all hubs in your account in one place. To create a panorama view, start by hovering over your hub and clicking the plus icon. Select New Panorama to continue. You can choose to start from scratch or use one of the ready-made panorama templates. Starting from scratch gives you full control, while templates help you get set up faster. First, build the conditions that define what appears in your panorama. You can create conditions across projects based on categories, status, or many other criteria. Next, choose which projects should be included based on those conditions. Once your conditions are set, give your panorama a clear name so it's easy to recognize. Then decide whether the panorama view should be public or private. For private views, you can give access to specific individuals only. When everything is ready, click Create. Your panorama view is now ready, giving you instant visibility across all selected projects. Panorama helps you track progress across multiple projects without opening them one by one.